Damn, look at that. I definitely didn't expect that because... Alright, so this is it. The €8 hand plane from AliExpress. It could be a hidden gem or simply garbage. So the packaging is, well, exactly what you expect from AliExpress and for an €8 hand plane. More packaging. The first thing that caught my eye is that the blade is already a little bit oxidized. But to be honest, I think the overall quality of this doesn't feel so bad. Okay, so all these adjustment screws, they feel definitely very, very cheap. But I think the casting of this is actually pretty good and it looks flat to me. We will definitely prove that later, but no, to be honest, I expected worse. Obviously, this is a knockoff of the famous Bridge City HB8, but I don't have the original one, so I can't compare it to it. And still, I think this feels very, very solid. But let's take a look in the workshop. Okay, I just wanted to tighten the screw and it simply broke off. I think it's not even metal, that must be plastic or something. But good for us, this knockoff actually has no movable or adjustable sole, so this was just a cosmetic. We don't need it. Okay, we are in my workshop and I would say, before we start with anything else, let's take a look at the sole and if it's actually flat or not. Wow, okay. I definitely didn't expect that because this thing is actually dead flat. To be honest, I'm actually a little bit surprised that this thing is actually flat. So yeah, I'm excited to use it. But before we do that, let's take a look at the blade. I've already seen that this thing might be a little bit bent. Okay, so this is definitely not sharpened well. And yeah, it's already damaged. Okay, let's talk about the adjustability. This is the cheap part, definitely. It's loose, it has a lot of play to it and yeah, it just doesn't feel good. But what can you expect from €8? Yeah, I think it will be good enough. I'm absolutely surprised with the quality of this thing so far. I think it's time for praxis test. With tools like these, it's all about the feeling. Okay, so the only negative point I found so far is actually the blade and I'm gonna sharpen it later, but for the full experience, I will test it out of the box and that's what we will do now. So let's go. What can I say? I'm extremely surprised how good this works. To be fair, I don't have like crazy expensive planers. From my experience, this works absolutely well on thin softwood. I would say we try some thicker softwood and then some hardwood and see at what point this gets uncomfortable. Damn, look at that. And the surface just feels so smooth. Okay, piece of oak. This planer will be a little bit too small to fit comfortably in a hand, but yeah, let's try it out. Okay, you can definitely tell that this blade is not the sharpest, but maybe we can change that later. I am absolutely amazed that this thing performed so well, and to be honest, this isn't even the proper use case for it, because usually you use these small planers to break some edges or do really small stuff with it. You know, it's a mini planer. I am amazed that it handled the oak so well. And the surface is perfectly smooth. Okay, one last test. Last week we've built this jig to make round dowels with a planer, and I think this might be perfect for it actually, because my other small planer is actually way bigger and way heavier, and I think this might be the better option. Now, one downside, if you have seen the video, I've put in some magnets here, and this thing unfortunately is not magnetic. So I will clamp that together and then let's try make a dowel. This worked absolutely perfect and it's even better than the other one. So amazing thing, amazing thing. Okay, so does this thing work? Actually, yes. And that's really, really good. I haven't even sharpened the blade, even though I thought I have to, but it works perfectly out of the box. And that is extremely surprising. I would say this thing is perfect for anyone that is working with wood. And for 8 euros, there is nothing you could do wrong. I mean, it looks super cool. It works perfectly well. What do you want more? I think this is a 10 out of 10, especially for 8 euros. There wasn't even any shipping fee or anything. It's just 8 euros and you get this nice planer. To be fair, this is my first tool review, but I also bought this square thing here and to be honest, it feels very, very cheap. And I mean, it works, it definitely works, but it doesn't feel so nice, you know? And this planer is just good all in all.